Question 1. The molecule represented below is found in living things. Which statement describes one characteristic of this molecule? A. It is the template for the replication of genetic information. B. Organic catalysts are made up of these molecules. C. It is different in each cell of an organism. D. Cell membranes contain many of these molecules. Question 2. Researchers have found that formaldehyde and asbestos can alter DNA base sequences. Based on this research, the use of these chemicals has been greatly reduced because they A. May act as fertilizers, increasing the growth of algae in ponds. B. Have been replaced by more toxic compounds. C. Are capable of causing mutations in humans. D. Interfere with production of antibiotics by white blood cells. Question 3. Which substances play an important role in communication between cells in a multicellular organism by acting as chemical messengers? A. Fats. B. Antibiotics. C. Minerals. D. Hormones. Question 4. What does DNA sequencing most help taxonomists learn about an organism? A. How an organism reproduces. B. How an organism interacts with its environment. C. How the organism is related to other species. D. How the organism fits into the food chain. Question 5. For many years, penicillin was used to fight bacterial infections. However, penicillin is no longer an effective treatment for some bacterial infections. Which statement explains this change? A. Some bacteria had mutations that prevented penicillin from affecting them and they reproduced. B. Some bacteria multiplied rapidly and overwhelmed the penicillin. C. Some bacteria used the penicillin as a source of energy. D. Some bacteria adapted their environment and they destroyed penicillin. Question 6. Which statement best describes a gene? A. A gene contains a code for building a carbohydrate. B. A gene contains a chromosome inherited during sexual reproduction. C. A gene is a segment of protein in the nucleus. D. A gene contains a code for building a protein. Question 7. What are the three parts of a nucleotide? A. Sugar, phosphate, and a protein. B. Sugar, phosphate, and an amino acid. C. Sugar, phosphate, and a nitrogen base. D. Sugar, phosphate, and a lipid. Which two scientists are credited with the discovery of the structure of DNA? Watson and Mendel. B. Mendel and Crick. C. Watson and Crick. D. Linnaeus and Watson. Question number 9. During DNA replication, DNA is A. Copied into two complete sets, the original set and the copy set. B. Copied so there is an original strand with a copied complementary strand. C. DNA is copied into RNA. D. DNA is copied into a protein molecule. Question 10. Prokaryote cells differ from eukaryote cells by A. They do not differ. B. Prokaryotes have a different type of DNA than eukaryotes. C. Eukaryote cells have their DNA contained in a nucleus. D. Prokaryotes have different types of nucleotides. Short answers are 10 points each. Question 11. What does it mean to express a gene? Number 12. Explain the statement, DNA is the universal code for life. Question 13. List and then describe 4 types of proteins. Question 14. Replicate the following DNA sequence into its complementary strand. Question 15. What are the 5 elements found in nucleic acids? 16. What is the main function of DNA?